All right, and we have some news just coming in. Let's take a look at these developments. Mediocre sons war in the state of Karnataka. Listen to what Leher Singh Siroya of the BJP has now said.
Joining me is senior BJP leader and Rajya Sabha MP at present, Mr. Leher Singh. Sir, आपने कल एक ट्वीट किया है डायरेक्टली अटैकिंग दो बेटों को, यतींद्रा जो सीएम के बेटे हैं और प्रियांक खड़गे जो मल्लिकार्जुन जी के बेटे हैं। दोनों गवर्नमेंट में एक पोजीशन है सर, एक एमएलसी है, एक मंत्री है। उनका एक कहना है कि हम क्यों नहीं बात कर सकते, हमारा एक इंडिविजुअल आइडेंटिटी भी है।
देखिए, उन पर बात करने पर मेरा कोई रोक नहीं है, लेकिन जिस तरह की बातें वो करते हैं हर डिपार्टमेंट के बारे में, हर इशू के बारे में, ये सबको ही लगता है कि ये उचित नहीं है। उनकी सीनियरिटी को देखते हुए ये सही नहीं है। और मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि कहीं न कहीं खड़गे जी के मुख्यमंत्री बनने के लिए कुछ ये ऐसा प्रयास चल रहा है, इसलिए जूनियर खड़गे जी इतने एक्टिव हैं। अब जैसा कि आज ही मैंने सुना कि गृह मंत्री जी ने कहा है कि अगर हाईकमान कहेगी तो सिद्धरामैया जी पद छोड़ने के लिए तैयार हैं। तो ये जो कुर्सी का जो सत्ता का खेल हो रहा है, इस उद्देश्य से ये कर रहे हैं। ये बात करें, अगर राज्य की प्रगति के लिए बात करें अच्छा है, और जनता की भलाई की बात करें अच्छा है, लेकिन इस सत्ता का खेल जो खेल करके राजनीतिक वातावरण को दूषित कर रहे हैं, ये बहुत ही दुखद है। इसलिए ये मैंने कहा है।
आपका ये कहना है कि मल्लिकार्जुन खड़गे को कांग्रेस अध्यक्ष जो है उनको वापस लाना चाहेंगे, उनके बेटे मुख्यमंत्री बनाना चाहेंगे?
निश्चित रूप से हर कोई पुत्र चाहेगा, क्योंकि वंशवाद की जो राजनीति चल रही है देश में भी, आदरणीय राहुल गांधी जी 5वीं पीढ़ी के चल रहे हैं, और जिस तरह से वंशवाद का खुला खेल खेला जा रहा है, हमने हरियाणा में भी यही देखा है। हरियाणा के सारे नेताओं को दरकिनार कर दिया गया। इसलिए आज संपत सिंह जी ने आज कल इस्तीफा दिया और जो पत्र लिखा है, तो ये वंशवाद की राजनीति का लाभ कर्नाटक के नेता भी उठाना चाह रहे हैं। और यही कारण है कि मुख्यमंत्री जी के पुत्र और माननीय खड़गे जी के पुत्र जो है इस होड़ में लगे हुए, कौन वन अपमैनशिप में। इस वन अपमैनशिप में वो अपने बड़े नेताओं का भी ख्याल नहीं करते हैं, और आउट ऑफ द टर्न जो बातें करते हैं और जिस तरह की भाषा का वो इस्तेमाल करते हैं, ये दुर्भाग्यपूर्ण है। काफी
बार यतींद्रा ने कहा कि सीएम 28 तक 5 साल टेन्योर कंप्लीट करेंगे। अभी होम मिनिस्टर ने कहा है कि अगर हाईकमांड चाहेंगे तो पद छोड़ने के लिए भी तैयार है।
देखिए, अभी इसका निर्णय क्या यतींद्र जी करेंगे? 6 करोड़ की जनता का राज्य है, हाईकमान है, 100 वर्ष पुरानी पार्टी है। क्या यतींद्र जी तय करेंगे कौन कब तक मुख्यमंत्री रहेगा? यही मेरा कहना है। यही तो आउट ऑफ द टर्न की बात है। यहाँ प्रदेश अध्यक्ष हैं, डिप्टी सीएम और कई बड़े बड़े पुराने नेता हैं। परमेश्वर जी हैं, HK पाटिल हैं, रामलिंग रेड्डी जी हैं, आदरणीय जॉर्ज हैं, कई बड़े बड़े नेता हैं, और उनको सबको दरकिनार करके वो जो बात कर रही है, यही तो मेरा कहना है। और जो आप यही कह रहे हो, यही बात है।
आपको क्या लगता है?
Mediocre sons war that has broken out in the state of Karnataka. A swipe that has been taken by the BJP MP Nepo kids jibe at Congress stalwarts, where he is going on to talk about Siddaramaiah Jr. and Mallikarjun Kharge's son Priyank Kharge, who happens to be a minister in the government as well, calling them mediocre. It's a personal attack by the MP from the Bharatiya Janata Party. You just heard him speak with India Today. Big jibe there, the top Neta sons in the state of Karnataka there. BJP MP versus Yatindra, Priyank. These are statements that have been made. A personal attack, Karnataka, that has broken out. I'm going to go straight across to Nagarjun Dwarkanath for more on that story. It's an attack that is made at Congress stalwarts, talking about nepotism within politics in the state.
Well, that's true. Senior BJP leader and Rajya Sabha MP from Karnataka, Mr. Leher Singh Siroya, has hit out at the Congress party, and both Priyank Kharge and Yatindra Singh, they're speaking out of turn. There are so many senior leaders who have been quiet for many months and not talking and towing the party line, but these two leaders have been talking out of turn about all topics is what Siroya has said. And now he's gone on to say that Priyank Kharge is making all the statements and creating a chaos-like situation to ensure Mallikarjun Kharge comes back to Karnataka as the chief minister. And he also said that Yathindra said he would have his father continue as chief minister till 2028. And there is so much chaos and confusion within the Congress party and the Congress government. BJP feels that there would be a midterm elections and they are ready to face the midterm elections, and the Janta or the people of Karnataka are suffering because of this confusion, is what Mr. Leher Singh said in the exclusive interview that we spoke to. The big bombshell that he dropped was Congress is working, or Priyank Kharge is working to ensure that Mallikarjun Kharge will be brought back to Karnataka as chief minister in the next few months, and that's the statement that the BJP MP has made.
All right, the MP there speaking with India Today, and we'll put that out. Leher Singh Siroya, BJP MP in the state of Karnataka, who's gone on to talk about mediocre sons within the state of Karnataka. We'll see if we can put that interview out. Once again, for our viewers, Nagarjun, continue to be with us. All right, we'll play that out in a second from now, but BJP has called Siddaramaiah Jr., Priyank Kharge mediocre. It's a personal attack that has been made by the Bharatiya Janata Party MP Leher Singh Siroya in the state of Karnataka. While speaking to us, he spoke about mediocre sons. It's a jibe that has been taken. I'm going to go back, in fact, to Nagarjun for more on that. In what context was this scathing attack also made, Naga?
In fact, Priyank Kharge also had spoken about Leher Singh as to what his contribution to Karnataka is. He's a North Indian who has settled in Bengaluru and continued his politics in BJP party, and he has no other contribution to Kannada land or Kannadigas and the welfare of Kannadigas, is what Priyank Kharge had said. Now Leher Singh has hit out saying Priyank Kharge has been speaking on every other issue and every other department apart from his department, be it home ministry, be it other ministry, be it on the change of leadership. He has an opinion about everything, and he's speaking out of turn, is what Leher Singh said. That why should the children of senior leaders talk about issues that are not relating to them? And that's the mediocrity that Leher Singh is talking about, that Priyank Kharge and Yathindra are not the deciding factors as to who would be the chief minister of Karnataka. It's the people of Karnataka who would decide. But BJP now says that these two children of senior leaders are talking about every topic, and especially about who is going to be the next chief minister of Karnataka from the Congress party. And he also said there's a hidden agenda that Priyank Kharge is talking about this because he wants his father to continue or to come back as chief minister of Karnataka, while Yathindra wants to continue his father as a CM. He said both of them are talking out of turn to see that one-upmanship, who is going to outdo each other to ensure that their father will be the chief minister of Karnataka.
I'm going to leave it there for the moment. Nagarjun Dwarkanath getting in those details on that scathing attack that has come in from a BJP MP.